It always happens at the absolute worst possible moment. You look down, and there it is, that dreaded flashing 1% red icon. Your lifeline to the world is about to die, and a wave of pure anxiety hits you. But what if you never had to feel that panic again? Today, we are counting down the top 15 best practical tips to make your phone battery last longer. We aren't just talking about boring, basic advice like turn down your brightness. We are going on a journey deep inside your phone's operating system to reveal the hidden battery vampires sucking your power dry. And if you stick around until the very end, I'm going to share a shocking myth about charging that most people get completely wrong. One that is secretly destroying your phone's life right now. Let's start our battery diet with the hidden culprits sitting right on your screen. Number 15. The Dark Mode Miracle. If your phone has an OLED or AMOLED screen, switching to true dark mode doesn't just look cool, it physically turns off individual pixels. Black pixels consume zero power. Number 14. Hunt the background vampires. Go into your settings right now and check your battery usage. You'll find apps you haven't opened in weeks running in the background, drinking your juice. Force stop them or restrict their background activity. Number 13. Ground the haptic engine. Every single time your phone vibrates when you type a text, a tiny mechanical motor spins inside your phone. Turn off keyboard haptics to give your battery an instant break. Number 12. Kill the raise to wake feature. Every time you pick up your phone, walk, or shift it in your pocket, the screen turns on automatically. Turn this off in your display settings so you control when the screen wakes up. Number 11. Trim your notifications. Every single notification lights up your screen, spins the vibration motor, and demands a wireless signal. Go to settings and mute notifications for apps that don't absolutely require your immediate attention. Now the story gets more interesting. We are moving away from cosmetic changes and digging into how your phone talks to the outside world. Number 10. The auto brightness trap. Auto brightness sounds smart, but it often overcompensates in brightly lit rooms, cranking your screen to maximum power. Adjust your brightness manually to keep it consistently low and efficient. Number 9. Break up the Wi-Fi search party. When you leave your house, your phone constantly screams out into the environment, looking for Wi-Fi networks to connect to. Turn off Wi-Fi when you're on the move to stop the endless searching. Number 8. Manage location, always allow. Dozens of apps track your GPS coordinates 24/7, even when they are closed. Change your app permissions from always allow to only while using the app. Number 7. Avoid the thermal danger zone. Lithium-ion batteries despise extreme temperatures. Leaving your phone on a hot car dashboard or exposed to direct sunlight permanently degrades its chemical structure, cutting its capacity forever. Keep it cool. So far, I'm guilty of almost all these. Please let me know in the comments if you are too. Number 6. Lower your screen smoothness. Think of your phone screen like a flipbook animation. Modern phones have a feature called a 120 Hz refresh rate, which means the screen flips its pages 120 times every single second to make scrolling look super smooth. But flipping those pages that fast forces your phone's engine to work overtime. By going into your settings and dropping it down to the standard 60 frames per second, you instantly cut the screen's workload in half, saving a massive amount of battery juice. We are entering the elite tier of battery optimization. These are the settings hidden deep in the system files that change the way your phone's internal brain behaves. Before we drop the top 5 game changers, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your current battery health percentage. Let's see who has the most pristine battery in our community. And while you're down there, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our upcoming ultimate hardware survival guides. Number 5. Silence the Hey Siri and OK Google triggers. To listen for your voice command, your phone's microphone must remain perpetually awake, processing background noise. Turning off wake word detection saves a massive chunk of standby power. Number 4. The 5G reality check. 5G speeds are blindingly fast, but switching between 5G and 4G LTE signals uses an enormous amount of power, especially in areas with weak coverage. Toggle your cellular settings to 4G LTE only for a massive, stable battery boost. Number 3. Turn off account autosync. Your email apps are constantly checking the cloud servers every single minute to see if you have a new message. Change your account settings from push to fetch or manual, so it only updates when you actually open the app. Number 2. Use automation shortcuts. Both iPhone and Android allow you to set automation rules. Set a shortcut that automatically triggers low power mode the moment your battery drops to 40% or 50%, rather than waiting for the desperate 20% warning. We have reached the most anticipated moment of the video. Tip number 1 isn't a setting. It is a fundamental shift in how you charge your device, shattering a myth that is quietly killing millions of smartphones. Number 1. The 80-20 rule. Keeping your phone completely full at 100% or letting it drop to a dead 0% puts immense chemical stress on the lithium polymer or lithium-ion structure inside. The absolute sweet spot for maximum battery longevity is keeping your phone between 20% and 80%. Charge it in short bursts during the day instead of keeping it chained to a wall all night long. This single habit will double the lifespan of your device. At the end of the day, your phone isn't just a piece of metal and glass. It holds your memories, connects you to the people you love, and keeps you safe in a fast-moving world. Taking care of your battery isn't just about saving a few minutes of screen time, it's about ensuring that your digital lifeline is always there when you need it most, giving you total peace of mind. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.